In today's digital age where video content reigns supreme, YouTube has become the go-to platform for creators, businesses, and individuals looking to share their message with the world. However, with millions of videos uploaded daily, standing out from the crowd can be a daunting challenge. This is where YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, emerges as a game changer. If you're seeking to unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel, increase your visibility, attract more subscribers, and ultimately grow your online presence, then harnessing the power of YouTube SEO is not just a choice, it's a necessity. Join the ranks of successful content creators and propel your videos to the top of search results. Because in the digital landscape, discoverability is the key to success. Hey there, fellow content creators and video enthusiasts. So you've got your YouTube channel all set up. You've created some awesome videos and now you want the world to see them, right? Well, welcome to the exciting world of YouTube SEO. In this video, we're going to dive into the art of optimizing your YouTube channel to reach a wider audience and boost your views, subscribers, and overall success. Don't worry, we'll keep things informal and fun, just like creating your favorite videos. This video was created with the support of our sponsor, Teleprompter.com. Your go-to source for the latest and greatest recent Teleprompter app, which allows you access to the same resources once only available to broadcast professionals. Your presentations, lectures, and films will be improved by using this program. Teleprompter.com has you covered, whether you're a content developer, public speaker, or any professional in need of smooth and effective teleprompting. Check out their website to see which bundle best suits your requirements. What's YouTube SEO anyway? First things first, let's break down the lingo. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's all about making your content more discoverable on search engines like Google and of course YouTube. Think of it as making your videos shine brightly in the vast galaxy of YouTube. Keywords are your best buddies. Imagine you're planning a trip and need to find a cool cafe in a new city. What's the first thing you do? You Google it, right? Well, YouTube is no different. You need to think like your audience and use keywords that they might search for. For example, if you're a foodie with a cooking channel, use keywords like delicious, recipes, easy cooking tips, or quick meal ideas. These are like treasure maps for the audience to find your videos. Titles that grab attention. Your video title is like a book cover. It should be eye-catching and give viewers a glimpse of what's inside. Let's say you're making a video about hiking in the Grand Canyon. Instead of a bland title like Grand Canyon Hike, go for something more exciting like Epic Grand Canyon Adventure. Hiking to the edge of the world. Intriguing, right? Descriptions matter. Now, let's talk about descriptions. These are your chance to provide more context to your video. Use those valuable keywords in your description, but don't stuff them up like a Thanksgiving turkey. Make it informative, fun, and engaging. Tell viewers what to expect, and don't forget to include links to your website or social media. Tags, tags, tags. Tags are like secret agents in the world of YouTube SEO. These are words or phrases that help YouTube understand what your video is all about. So if your video is about baking the perfect chocolate chip cookies, tags could include chocolate chip cookies, baking tips, and cookie recipes. They help your video pop up in related content and recommendations. Thumbnails, your video's first impression. Imagine you're at a party and someone walks in wearing a crazy costume. You're instantly curious, right? That's exactly what your video thumbnail should do. Make it eye-catching, colorful, and relevant to your content. People judge a book by its cover, and they'll click on your video if the thumbnail piques their interest. Engagement is key. YouTube's algorithm loves engagement. The more likes, comments, and shares your video gets, the better it performs. Encourage your viewers to interact with your content. Ask questions, invite them to share their thoughts, and always respond to comments. Building a community around your channel is priceless. Consistency is key. Imagine you're binge watching your favorite TV series, and suddenly they stop releasing new episodes. Frustrating, right? Well, the same goes for your YouTube channel. Consistency is crucial. Create a posting schedule and stick to it. It helps your audience know when to expect new content. Conclusion. So there you have it, fellow content creators, a crash course on optimizing your YouTube channel with some informal flair. Remember, YouTube SEO isn't about rocket science. It's about understanding your audience, being creative, and staying consistent. Keep experimenting, stay passionate about your niche, and watch your channel grow. Happy creating, and may your videos trend like wildfire. Check out our sponsor, Teleprompter.com's groundbreaking app if you want to offer your content effortlessly and flawlessly. Anyone who has to convey content while still making eye contact with the camera can use Teleprompter.com's simple solution. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We also cover many topics, including tools you need to get started with your content creation and how you can use them to help engage your audience and get those likes and subscribers. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.